Hello my dear students, so today I am going to start the next form of market structure, that is monopsony market. So according to your new or revised syllabus or reduced syllabus, here this is only the definition of monopsony market. Only the definition is important, features is not required. Now let's start this monopsony market. So this monopsony market is also called the mirror image of monopoly. Okay, this monopsony market is also called mirror image of monopoly. Okay, mirror image of monopoly. So once again I will explain what is this monopoly. So for explaining this, let's take the difference between these two, monopoly and monopsony. So monopoly means the market in which there is a single seller. Okay, single seller. And monopsony means single buyer. Okay. Why it is called mirror image of monopoly? Why monopsony is called mirror image of monopoly? Monopsony market is called the mirror image of monopoly because in the case of monopoly there is a single seller, whereas in the case of monopsony market there is a single buyer. Okay. Now I will come to the definition of this monopsony market. Okay. So monopsony market refers to that type of market in which there is a single buyer. Okay. The market in which there is a single buyer and large number of sellers, and there is no competition among the buyers. Okay, competition does not exist in the case of number of buyers, and the buyer has a power to influence the market price. Okay, so here the buyer has a power to influence the market price. So market price for the commodity will be set by the buyer, not by the sellers. Okay. Once again, in the case of monopsony market, there is a single buyer and there do not exist any competition among the buyer. At the same time, the buyer has a power to influence the market price. Okay. So this is the case of definition of monopsony market. Now I will give you a few examples related to this monopsony market. So really this type of market exists, but it is there, it exists, but the intensity of existence of that market is very minimum or negligible, but it exists. Now I will give you a few examples of this monopsony market. Okay, in the case of defense goods, in the case of these defense goods, defense goods includes arms and ammunition, maybe tanks, maybe missiles, etc. So these all things are only purchased by one buyer, and who is that buyer? Government is the buyer, and the sellers may be large number, but buyer is only one. Who is that buyer? Government is the buyer for what type of product? Defense goods. So that defense good includes maybe tanks, maybe arms, weapons, etc. are required by the army personnel. So who is the purchaser of that item? Government. So here government is a single buyer. One more example I will give you, that is in the case of this car company. Suppose say let's take Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki. Okay, so the different components, okay, different components or the different parts of that Maruti Suzuki may be manufactured by the small other firms, but finally, who is the purchaser? Maruti Suzuki is the buyer of different components or parts of Maruti car sold by a different forms. So the different components or the different parts of that Maruti Suzuki car may be sold by the different number of sellers, but the buyer of that different components or different parts of that car is only Maruti Suzuki. So here this Maruti Suzuki is a single buyer. Okay. One more example I'll give you. In the case of a job, okay, in the case of job, suppose say the recruitment is done by the government of India. So when they are appointing the different number of people for different types of job, who is only the buyer of that services of the different people? The government of India. So government of India buys the different services from the different individual. So in that case also the government of India act as the single buyer. So this is the case of monopoly market.